Hey guys, we are talking about the Kubota SCL 1000 today and how to properly operate select attachments and whatnot. So anyways, this is a great machine if you're looking to get into that tight, narrow areas. It's a 36-inch wide track. The bucket is 42, so it gives you a little bit of extra room and you can pick it up and then get through those tight squeezes on fences real nice and easily. Starting the machine, what we're going to do, flip this red switch. We're going to see the loading screen start to come alive. This one does have a passcode for right now the purpose, so we just set it to 111. So you're going to turn that on. Now if it's cold, you're going to see this little emblem right here, and that is just called the glow plugs. So what it's doing is it's just heating up the engine, getting it ready to fire. So we're going to hit that. It's going to count down to 5 seconds. And then once that goes, you can go over here and hit the start button, and it starts right up. Now, right now, it won't move. We can't do anything. So what you have to do, you have to have it revved all the way down right here. That's your throttle. And you're going to hit this button, and it's going to release the hydraulics. Once that's released, then you can start to give it throttle. Fire it up. Here is your boom. Tilt is side to side, pulling back is up, pushing forward is down, and then over here, that is going to be your drive controls. So you're going to push forward to go forward, backwards, and now to turn, you're going to take this T-handle and you're just going to twist it. And it's just simple as that. And then you can do that as you drive back and forth, and that's going to give you that nice, simple, smooth response as you're driving this. We recommend just having the throttle all the way up when you're going to run this machine. It doesn't hurt it. Now that we got it running, all we're going to do is initiate the hydraulics. We're going to pick the current attachment up. Right now that's a bucket. We are going to step over here, and there's 2 release pins. We are just going to pull up and turn to the side. Nice and easy. They're well greased. It works great. So now at about a medium throttle, we're going to go up. And what we're going to do is we're going to set our bucket down, and then we're going to push to the right with our stick and just slowly back right out of it. Nice, simple, easy. And then to do the reattachment, it's going to be the opposite of the process. So we're going to have our quick attach plate down there. We're going to have that pointed out like that. We're going to ride into it nice and easy. Don't want to beat up the machine. And then once you're in it, you're just going to kind of pull to the left with your stick and just scoop her right up. And now she's golden. She's on there. And then we're just going to quick take those, drop those pins in place, and it's good to go. You can give it a quick little test if you want. You want to get it up there, dangle it, make sure it doesn't come off. Then that is just how simple it is to change the attachments. When it comes to shutting down the machine, all you're going to do is bring the throttle all the way down, and then just simple as making sure your bucket and everything is placed firmly on the ground and flipping this red switch just like that. It's going to give you this little screen. If you're planning on being back on the machine relatively soon, you can just leave it like this, and then it doesn't require you to punch in the passcode every time you want to start it. So you just come back over here, hit the switch, it's good to go, fire right up. Otherwise, if you're going to be off it for a while, just go ahead and hit that X button, and then that'll shut the machine off, and then it won't waste the battery. All right, now that we have the basics on how to run the machine, what do you need to run the machine? You need diesel fuel. So when it comes time to fill the machine up, you're just going to reach underneath here. There's a little lever in there. You're going to pull that, spring load, it'll pop right up. There's your diesel cap. You can just get diesel straight from the gas station and put in there. Pretty small tank, so it's very affordable to run and operate this machine. Once you close it all up and you're good to go, you're just going to gently shut that, make sure it latches, kind of give it a tug, make sure it's secure, and you're off and running. So looking at this machine, you can see right from the bat that it is very narrow. So we can't stress enough here at Edward Equipment, when you're operating it, when you're got a full bucket or heavy pallet load, keep the weight down, keep it low to the ground, because if you have it way up there and you're on a hillside, this thing can tip over. We've heard stories of these things tipping, it's not something that we ever want to hear ourselves or experience for ourselves. So we just have to keep that weight low and just be mindful as you're going on hillsides and whatnot. Well, thanks for watching our video on how to safely operate the SCL 1000. If you're in the West Michigan area, we'd love the opportunity to serve you. Give us a call, 616-350-7724, or feel free to look us up on Google and go from there. See you later. That was pretty good.